frequency shift keying or continuous phase frequency shift keying. So in this case, the phase of the carrier or amplitude, phase and amplitude are constant or not changed, and frequency is shifted in BFSK or CPFSK. Because the phase is continuous, therefore another name is continuous phase shift keying. That is, phase is not changed when symbol is changed. Okay, so another name is CPFSK. So CPFSK having BFSK also a type of CPFSK, and next topic, which is MSK, minimum shift keying, it is also the type of CPFSK. In both cases we are having shift in frequency and phase is continuous. That is, there is no change in the phase when symbol is changed. Now it is also the example of non-linear modulation, because frequency is changed or frequency is modulated in this type of modulation scheme. Now the BFSK signal, in the BFSK signal, the frequency of the carrier is shifted according to the binary symbol. Okay? If it is one different and frequency is different, and when symbol is 0, frequency is different. So the phase and amplitude are unaffected. So BFSK signal, which is given by SI of t. So we are writing here the same equation is similar equation is there, that is amplitude function and some frequency. So in this case frequency is changed, so we are writing Fi. Okay, frequency, that is I equal to 1, it will be F1. For I equal to 2, it will be F2. So S1 of t is equals to for F1, and S2 of t is for F2. Now what is Fi? Fi is the frequency. Okay, it changed according to the value of I, which is 1 and 2. So Fi is equals to Nc plus I divided by Tb, where Nc is a fixed integer. When I fix an integer Nc, the value of frequency is changed according to value I, that is 1 and 2. So for F1 it will be Nc plus 1 divided by Tb, and for F2 it will be Nc plus 2 divided by Tb. So for symbol 1 we are using I equal to 1, and for symbol 0 we are using I equal to 2. Now so हमने बोला भी symbol 1 is for S1 of t and symbol 0 for S2 of t. Now in each case, that is whether it is BPSK, QPSK, BFSK, or in further it is MSK, each signal are orthogonal to each other. ठीक है, सभी केस में, that is in the BPSK the two signal S1 and S2 are orthogonal. In QPSK S1, S2, S3, S4, 4 signals are orthogonal to each other. Similarly in the BFSK also S1 and F2 are orthogonal. So for orthogonal signal we are having a orthonormal basis function, which is phi I of t is equals to root 2 by Tb cos 2 pi Fit. Okay, that is for phi 1 of t it will be cos under root 2 by Tb cos 2 pi F1 t, and for F2 phi 2 of t it will be under root 2 by Tb cos 2 pi F2 t. ठीक है, and for a single bit duration. ठीक है, it is a single bit because the name is binary. Now so in this case we are having two different frequency for the basis function. ठीक है, in the case of frequency is not changed, only the function is changed, that is one is cos, another was sine. But in the case of BFSK the frequency is changed, function is same, but frequency is changed according to the symbol. That is for symbol 1 it will be phi 1 of t, and for symbol 0 it will be phi 2 of t. Now we will find the coefficient of signal, that is Si of t. What will be the Si of t in the signal space? Si of t is equals to, for example, I equal to 1. If I equal to, it will be S1 of t is equals to S11 phi 1 of t. Okay, S1 of t is equals to S11 phi 1 of t, and S22 phi 2 of t. Similarly S2 of t will be S22 phi 2 of t. Okay, now we will prove that there is only one coefficient in the signal, that is in the S1 of t it is only S11, and in S2 of t it is only S22. Okay, that is in the S1 of t there is no S12, and in S2 of t there is no S21. Okay, now we will find the value of coefficient of expansion. The generalized formula which we are having, that is Sij is equals to the integration 0 to Tb Si of t phi j of t. Just substitute the value of 1 and 2 for I equal to 1 to 2, that is for signal, and j equal to 1 to for the basis function. Now we can find the value, that is just we will simplify it. So just substitute the value of BFSK signal. So under root TB is constant for SI of T in the SI of T, it is under root TB which is constant